it's Gemma here. We just start making a Play-Doh today. It's just a simple recipe that you can use anything that you have in your household. If you don't have what we have, you can use whatever you have as well because it just come out with a different texture. So we just start with 2 cups of plain flour, 4 tablespoons of cream of tartar, 1 cup of salt. I usually mixing the dry ingredient first before I add oil and hot water to it. So the children can help you stirring with a big spoon now. This would be fun with them. It's like 2 tablespoons for oil, but if you feel like the heater is quite strong, you can add more. It just make it more moist, that's all. Children can help you measuring and mixing it as well. And then as we go, we just add the hot water. This bit might be out of the bit of the children. And you can just keep stirring and kneading it for a couple minutes until it's come together. If you feel like it's too dry or too sticky, you can always add more water and oil or cream of tartar to it that make it softer. And once it's done, there's another alternative thing that you can add to it. This is optional. You can add the food coloring. It's quite strong, just few drops would be enough. And if you put it in different part of the Play-Doh, children can mix it and make a different color by themselves, or it could become rainbow Play-Doh as well. You can add many things of your household for them to play. Could be something from your garden like a herb. Thyme mint is perfect. They can exploding with their sensory play. Anything that you find in your kitchen cupboard, cookie cutter, or and because Lumfai really love the bark, we doing the bark fossil in it as well. So if you have the piece there and then you place it there, it will become the fossil. So have fun making a Play-Doh. Until next time, bye.